welding. Without it, the world around us would look entirely different. It's only welding that can join two metal parts together. Welding is really a unique process which has gained a very serious position in the world. A tight seam which hundreds of human lives may depend on cannot be made without quality welding materials. Welcome to Ukraine, Mecca of welding technologies, where daring ideas of genii have been put into practice. Welding underwater, in the outer space, and even inside the human body. It is this country that gave birth in 2001 to PlasmaTec, the leading producer of welding materials. According to official statistics, in 2013, PlasmaTec increased the sale of its products by 5,000 tons, or 30%, and invested 10 million euros in production development, while the market declined at a rate of 8%. On the whole, during the 3 years of crisis, the company demonstrated five-fold growth, a record for this industrial sector. This video shows what stands behind these impressive figures and the people who build a new world with their hands. It is about an unprecedented history of success, which is based on a bold dream and pursuit of perfection, not profit. It took the company just 12 years to grow from a small workshop to an industrial giant controlling 50% of the national market of welding materials. PlasmaTec today is 4 factories, a KLN pit, an R&D center, offices in different countries, and more than 1,000 highly qualified personnel. Each link in this powerful chain is part of a single strategy aimed at building a complete process cycle, manufacturing perfect products, and topping the market. PlasmaTec operates 2 factories that produce general and special purpose welding electrodes, one in Ukraine and one in Belarus. The annual output capacity of their 8 process lines totals 25,000 tons. And this factory produces copper-coated wire. In addition to 1 operational advanced process line, another 3 are planned to start working by the end of 2015, increasing the factory's annual output capacity to 10,000 tons of copper-coated wire. The PlasmaTec factories use the best up-to-date equipment of world-renowned brands and only the best raw materials that are supplied from all corners of the world. Quality is controlled at all process stages by the company's own certified laboratories. The company sells its products under such trademarks as Monolith, Standard, Arsenal, and Continent, accounting for every second electrode marketed in Ukraine and every third in Belarus. It rates second among the CIS countries and first in Ukraine and Belarus in terms of market share. In terms of quality standards, PlasmaTec never stands pat and always aims to be at least 10 years ahead of competitors. To achieve such a high rate of development, the company needs scientific breakthroughs. Without scientific breakthroughs, it couldn't grow fast, effectively and steadily. We are proud to possess the invaluable legacy of researchers from the Patton Institute of Arc Welding. Launching the production of new brands was not easy. For the first 3 years, we survived from order to order, but we continued to work on the Patton Institute's principal invention. Today, 60% of all electrodes used in Ukraine are made on its basis. We believe that PlasmaTec wouldn't have grown without this assistance. Besides, we invest substantially in our own research and development, focusing on multi-branch research. We are working on 27 research projects which can yield 100, 500 and 1,000% of profit. We rely on the following approach. If a breakthrough is 5% feasible, if at least 2 out of 27 projects succeed, then they will definitely pay for all the rest. At present, 3 out of 5 projects break through. dozens of ideas generated by the PlasmaTec R&D Center have already been put into practice, ensuring perfect product quality. The copper-coated wire plant is one of the brightest examples of punctiliousness and pursuit of perfection. The main project of 2014, worth 10 million euros in investment, was the commissioning of a Swedish complete cycle process line, the most up-to-date in the CIS, with 3 independent power transmission lines for the factory's trouble-free operation. However, to attain the ideal, the team was still short of the 5th element and was in persistent search of it. Quite unexpectedly, the solution was found in St. Petersburg, Russia, in spacecraft orbit correction engines. The main problem in our process is the cleaning of wire after it goes through the scale breaker, which makes the surface very rough. Our plasma stripper doesn't only remove the remaining impurities, it makes the wire surface ideally smooth before it is coated with copper. Since then, the quality of our wire has been unattainable for any competitors. PlasmaTec is Ukraine's only manufacturer of welding materials certified for compliance with EU quality standard directives. The top quality of our products has also been certified by one of Europe's most authoritative expert organizations, the German Technical Certification Corporation, TÜV. In order to ensure our customers against counterfeiting, we supply our products in original 3-layer packaging, with an individual mark on each item. Understanding the importance of environmental issues, we constantly improve environmental management at the company's industrial facilities, with focus on reusing process and other wastes. PlasmaTec has a fully automated line for wastewater neutralization and purification, with effective quality control at all phases. Process autonomy is our strategic objective. To achieve it, PlasmaTec has 4 separate divisions in its structure. The West Kaolin Company, founded on the basis of the Dermanka kaolin field in Rivne region, does not only supply PlasmaTec with quality kaolin, but also markets it abroad. The non-standard equipment factory Pragma Factor manufactures wear parts and practically all types of equipment for PlasmaTec, from a drawing bench to an off-test electrode cleaning line, as well as any other customized equipment. To optimize turnover, the company built a modern logistical center in Vinnytsia region. The facility occupies a total of 1,000 square meters and is equipped with an advanced commodity flow control system. Even if our plant is closed, we could continue manufacturing our products for PlasmaTec for 3 months without fresh supplies of raw materials. The company PlasmaTec Trans is in charge of product delivery to customers. Its motor pool ensures reliable and timely deliveries to any destinations. Our immediate goal is to strengthen our positions on the international market and increase exports, which grew by 64% in 2013. One of our short-term plans is a joint venture with Belgian partners, a new high-tech welding material plant in Western Europe. I think we are going to have a great future with the Belgians. They have their own distribution network and large capacities to sell expensive high-tech products. We also plan to launch a welding facility in Kazakhstan, a springboard for conquering the Chinese market. We are interested in the Chinese market. We are interested in the countries and regions where infrastructure projects are implemented or planned in the near future. It would be impossible to implement such an ambitious strategy without a team of committed professionals, our main and most valuable asset. Money is made by workforce. The more you invest in your workforce, the more profit you get. Today, investments in workforce are dozens of times bigger than in equipment. There are 1,200 highly qualified specialists in our big family named PlasmaTec. In 2013 alone, the company paid 116 million hryvnias, $14 million in salaries and invested 6.5 million hryvnias, $800,000 in personnel training. PlasmaTec has a very strong team, the strongest in Ukraine. In big organizations with very big turnovers, there are probably not more than 10 people trusted by shareholders. In PlasmaTec, there are more than 120. The young generation of our personnel makes our future look very bright, and their professional training is one of the principal directions in the company's personnel policy. Company helps schools in every way it can, with workwear, a series of educative films, and of course with welding electrodes. We love the land where our dreams come true, and we responsibly address our compatriots' needs. In 2013, PlasmaTec spent 4 million hryvnias, $500,000, on social and cultural projects, including the restoration of the village school in Chernomen, Vinnytsia region. The school building is a unique architectural monument, a replica of the White House in Washington, D.C., designed by the Italian architect Francesco Boffo. PlasmaTec also financed repairs, reconstructions, and renovations of other schools, kindergartens, streets, and squares. In 2013, the company paid a total of 26 million hryvnias, $3.25 million, in taxes and duties. So what is PlasmaTec to us, the inhabitants of this big wide world? To me, PlasmaTec is not just a business. To me, PlasmaTec is a world full of new ideas, new challenges, and mutual help. We came not for money or output. We came for a dream. Viktor Slobodanyuk, PlasmaTec Director General.